Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to manage screen timeout on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you feel annoyed because when you are using your cell phone, suddenly your cell phone screen turns off just a few seconds after the screen is not used, then it could be because your screen waiting time is very short. So for that, you have to set it so that the screen timeout is more longer. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, now without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down and go to display. And then now you can scroll down again, and then now you can go to screen timeout. So for now your screen timeout is only 30 seconds and I will change into 10 minutes. So yeah, your cell phone screen will not suddenly turn off by itself again. Alright guys, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.